idea what kind of truck this is. Dude, this truck shits on the TRX. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sal, man, back at it with a new video. Today I got my Shelby truck. This is my ultimate dream truck. I've owned a bunch of them. Not a Shelby, but a bunch of trucks. And this one by far is probably my favorite one. As y'all see, it's the Super Snake, so it comes factory lowered from Shelby. It has a lot of nice goodies to it. The color combo that the truck has, red, it's like a candy red with black. So you got black stripes, black wheels, you know, black accents all over the truck. And of course, it comes factory with 775 horsepower. Letting you know right there with a badge on the door. Truck is pretty spacious on the inside. That's probably another big thing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This truck actually has the same cabin size as the F250. A lot of y'all don't know my personal life, so I'm gonna start showing you a little bit more of that if you guys want to. Y'all let me know. Switch it up for y'all. And if y'all have any ideas, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm always open to new ideas. I would love to hear what you guys want to see. As you guys know, my passion is cars. That's what I usually show y'all. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know in the comments. It's quiet, but I like it. For how fast it is, I think the sound is like perfect. And I don't know, maybe we'll modify it. Maybe we'll make it a 1,000 horsepower truck, man. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Maybe we should leave it stock. The truck only has 4,000 miles on it, but I think it might be time to kind of add a little power to it. Right now, it's, like I said, 775 horsepower. Maybe we turn it up and make it 1,000. So stay tuned for that. Me and that one Shelby. But yeah, man, I mean, look at this. I get to take my boys with me in the truck to lunch. It fits everybody. Everybody's pretty comfortable. Not a lot of cars you can do that in and still, make 800 horsepower. So 775, because I know some of y'all like to be exact. We like to round up a little bit. So what do you think, Eddie? Is comfortable back there?
Oof, I like it, brother. You got bigger space. You could see it. Got a good panoramic sunroof too. I love it.
Woo-wee!
Damn.
Feel good or what?
Yeah.
You didn't expect that, did you? And you got a Hellcat 300, don't you?
Yes.
You can be rolling down the road, man. This girl right here, she got a RS5, so what up, girl? Trying to race? Come on, man.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Come on.
Way too quick, bro. Yeah. Take the RS5 somewhere, man. We in that Shelby truck for real, bro. And y'all see what I'm saying, though. You hitting the lunch with the boys, and a fast car pull up on you, you can give them the smoke. No problem, man. And we're in comfort mode. Everybody comfortable in the truck, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That was a perfect example of my top favorite thing about this truck. So I kind of got to see it firsthand. It was a perfect opportunity that girl pulled up on us, and we had to give her the smoke and let her know what time it is. And I wasn't even in sport mode myself, man. Look, like normal mode, tow. That's the beauty about this truck. Look, sport mode. Kind of makes it a little more responsive. Man, my feet almost got stuck, man. We almost crashed, bro. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes, bro. The girl, for some reason, pulled up on us. Hey, what's up?
I wasn't racing you, just so you know.
What? What you mean you wasn't racing me?
Because you think just because I pulled up next to you, I was racing you. And then I got all the rocks from your tires on my car.
Sorry about that. Hey, she's pissed, bruh.
Yeah, she followed us.
Yeah, man. Hey, man, your boy gotta do some.
You have to be careful. It's not gonna be in the boat next time.
Nah, for real, man. We gotta take off, man. We gotta go.
Keep it following, bro.
I don't know nothing about this, bro.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, let them know, Eddie, we ain't playing, bro.
Well, that lady put the finger on me. Look.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, look.
Damn. Hey, this shit hating, man.
She's mad, huh?
Yeah. That's what happens when they be hating, man. They don't want to see you winning.
Heaters, brother.
You said heaters?
Yeah, the people.
What do you say? Would you take this or a single cab?
I like this one. A single cab, you don't have space.
That's true.
Single cab, only you and him was riding right now.
Yeah, for real. We'd all be riding on the bench. Or if it was all three of us. Look at that Porsche. Damn, that's clean. Is that a GT3 RS? Damn, that's a clean. I have no idea what kind of truck this is, but it's all good. I like that. It's kind of like a sleeper. But I'm thinking really we turn it up. It's a little more power, but all-wheel drive. I'm actually gonna get a trailer for it, so I can start taking my cars to events, so y'all can see them. This year, I'm probably gonna be at SEMA. I'm probably gonna be at NASCAR in Vegas.
Ooh.
Not probably NASCAR in Vegas. I'm gonna be there for
That's
sure.
what we're talking about.
Yeah, see. And I'm thinking to really bring my cars there, man. So we'll see. NASCAR in Vegas for sure. I'm gonna be there October 25th. You know, your boy got invited out, so. And I'm thinking SEMA as well. We make it happen. We go there this year. But maybe a few other events. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it Texas 2K this year, but next year for sure we're gonna be Texas 2K ready. So we missed it this year. I heard a lot of fast cars were there, but next year we're gonna be there. So yeah, for sure we're gonna need this truck. We just need to buy a trailer for it, so we start taking it everywhere we go. Oh my God, it's so smooth too. Just like picks up and goes, man. I love this truck. Hands down, I had a TRX, a white one. Some of y'all that follow me on Instagram, y'all know about my white TRX. And I can tell you, this truck shits on the TRX, man. TRX is cool, it looks good, it's aggressive. But if you step on it, man, it takes forever to go. And it's kind of like, once you get up in speed, over 60, 70 miles per hour, it starts like wobbling everywhere because it's higher up. And it's so heavy to slow down, right? You drove it.
Yes.
Well, how would you compare this truck to that one?
Oh, this is different, brother. This is more lighter, fast. The TRX is fast, but it's too heavy. You go in 60 and you want to brake, it's lighter.
Yeah.
And this one, no, this is like 4-wheel drive. You brake good, it's fast, good present. Everywhere you could show up, man, people look around you like, damn.
Yeah, this truck is different, man. For real, not for real. I used to pull up in the TRX and get compliments here and there. But this truck, when I pull up in it, people are just like, what is that? That's a badass truck. I've never seen this. And they want to know more about it. So, I don't know. But here in, I'm in Houston, Texas. So, Houston, Texas, you don't really see many of these trucks. I've never seen one this color like mine, that candy red. And that's kind of one of the main reasons I ended up with this color. You don't see it, and it's my favorite color too. I always wanted a red car. That's why I wrapped the M3 red, and that was before I bought this truck. So yeah, it just worked out, man, and I'm loving it. I would never switch this truck out anytime soon. Knowing me, I always get bored of cars and I always swap them out, but so far, hands down, this is my favorite truck I've ever had. I can say that easily. And I had Ford, Ram, Dodge, I'm tripping. Chevy. I never had GMC or a Toyota. I would never get a Toyota. I'll never get a Toyota truck. I'll never get a Toyota anything. You've been racing some Toyotas, huh? Why are you laughing back there? You got smoked by a Camry, didn't you?
Your buddies got Toyota.
I'm my buddy. But yeah, man, best truck literally in the world. It's worth every penny. Like I said, it's $120,000, but in my opinion, you get a lot for the money. If I would go back, yes, I'll buy it again and again and again over any other truck that's out right now. So just like that, we're gonna end this video and see you on the next one. Too easy.